Traveling down the road, feeling hungry and cold. I saw a sign saying food and drinks for everyone. So naturally I thought I would take me a look inside. Yeah, there was ham and there was turkey, there was caviar, and long tall glasses with wine up to yar. And then somebody grabbed me, threw me out of my chair. Said before you can eat, you gotta dance like Fred Astaire. You know I can dance, you know I can dance. You know I can dance, you know I can dance. I can dance. Of course I can dance, of course I can dance. I'm sure I can dance, I'm sure I can dance. I can dance. I can dance.